Jen has a day off. She's not working today. And the weather's not so fair with this crappy day. We're thinking we should go do some shopping. We just added this pantry here behind us. So we have a whole series of us building and adding this pantry this winter.
Built it and polyed it. Now it's time to fill it up.
What was your pantry like before?
This was it. And it's on top of the fridge.
Jen.
It's kind of hard to reach.
So this was our pantry before. Baking stuff, s'more stuff for the summertime, campfires, marinades, and nuts. Kind of a mess.
And it was really hard for me to reach. Like, I could reach some of it, but other stuff I'd have to get a chair, which was a pain. So that's why this will be good for paper products, because then we don't need them daily. We need to replace stuff once or twice a week, so it'll be easier to have it right here.
Sounds awesome to me. I like it. What's the local place that you guys like to shop? We shop primarily at Aldi, right?
Mm-hmm. Prices are low there, so that's why we like to shop there. And
Aldi's for a lot of our canned stuff, condiments, nuts, snacks, veggies. So we're going to run to the store. I'm excited to see what you guys put in the comment section below as far as what you have in your pantry. So put some stuff in the comments below, guys, of what you have in your pantry. If not right now, do it at the end of the video once you see what we filled ours with.
Yeah, if you think of anything else we should add.
Let's go to the store. We'll see you guys in a few minutes. We're going to leave you here because you guys don't need to see us walk up and down the aisle of Aldi. So we're going to fill up a cart and we'll see you in a little bit. All right, everybody. I'm really excited about trying out the AC500 and the B300S. Blue Eddy sent this to us a few days ago. The weather was great. It came at like 55% charge. I hooked up the 400 watt portable solar panel to it and charged it up to 100%. So we're excited to try it out. So let's get it hooked up to the cabin. Here's where all our plugs are and outlets for hooking the AC500 to the B300. We could hook up to 6 B300Ss to the AC500 and have over 18,000 watt hours of storage capacity. There we go. Easy as that. All right, guys, so to keep our cabin extremely versatile so we could try different things out and have lots of versatility, we have the whole cabin running on this 30 amp plug. It goes down. We unplugged it from the outlet that goes to the solar shed, and now it's routed up here to the AC500. No power to the cabin right now. It's unplugged until I turn on the AC here. So one really cool thing about hooking up a Blue Eddy system like this to run your entire cabin is that you can monitor it remotely with Wi-Fi from anywhere in the world. You can use Bluetooth if you're in your cabin and use the app to monitor your system and see how it's working. Right now I can come up here, turn on the touch screen, and see that it's drawing 138 watts to run the whole cabin. I can turn things on and off. I can see what the status of the battery is. I can change settings. Also, I can plug in to my grid. If I want to plug into the grid and, like I said, use this as pass-through power, awesome. You can charge the AC500 with 3,000 watts of solar and 3,000 watts of AC power simultaneously. You can up that to 5,000 watts of AC power from the grid or from a generator or from any other source with 2 B300Ss. We can have up to 8,000 watts of charging going into this unit and charge it extremely quickly. One of the newest features of the B300S is that it is self-heating. It can control the temperature of the battery, so we could charge it down to -4 Fahrenheit, something that couldn't be done with most power stations before, or lithium iron phosphate batteries in general. They had to be above freezing to charge. The B300S takes care of that. I'm excited to run the cabin on it. We can use it as backup power here at the cabin, or you could set something up like this at your house, no problem. 5,000 watts, you could run the furnace, the refrigerator, probably most air conditioning units. I love the way the technology is getting better and better. Just want to give you a little update. It's been about 24 hours. We've been running the cabin on the Bluetti AC500 and B300S. I have the Bluetti app installed. So I use it on Bluetooth because it's simple. So all I do is hit the Bluetti app. I hit my devices. I have 3 different Bluetti units that we've used in the last few months. We go to the AC500. I click the Bluetooth and we'll connect. So we're at 19%, currently drawing 66 watts. It's really nice to be able to monitor the unit. Even though it's just up here in the loft, it's nice to just be able to click on the app real quick, see what the status of everything is with the AC500. What can we gather from this? The AC500 B300S combo is a perfect unit for home backup. In an emergency type situation or grid down situation, you're only going to run your critical loads. And we've used everything here without worry. We have our computers running all the time. Lights. So Jed's computer's plugged in all the time. She's very often working on that. We used our 800 watt coffee maker. Our refrigerator has been plugged in and operational for 24 hours. And we still have 20% left. If we wanted to add an additional B300 or B300S to the system, we could run for a whole weekend, no problem. Very great setup. I suggest you guys check it out. Again, links are in the description box below. Use those, help support our channel, and takes you directly to the best deal you can get on any Bluetti unit. Thanks, guys, for letting me tell you about the AC500 and B300 combo, and thanks, Bluetti, for sponsoring this video. They make these videos possible.
We didn't get doggies anything. I'm sorry. Doggies anything. Sorry, Scout. I know. We're bad dog parents. We aren't stocking the pantry up with anything for the dogs.
Yeah, dog food.
What's in there, huh? Do you approve? Do you guys approve? You didn't buy us anything, Mom? There, go lay down. All done. Go lay down.
Success?
Success.
So I'm not saying this is necessarily healthy food, but this is long-term stuff that we will use. I stocked a pantry about a decade ago with a lot of food and stuff that we don't eat every day, and a lot of it went to waste.
Yeah, so we're not buying things
just to have it sit around, right?
Yeah. So we're eating lots of salads. So we got lots of salad dressing.
Beans and tomatoes, peanut butters, nuts, and let's go set it up. Good stuff? All right, let's get her going.
think, guys? Did we do a good job?
Do you want to go in there? Do you want to go into the pantry?
What's in the pantry?
Come on. You go into the pantry.
No, I need to eat all the food. What? Is there stuff in there? What's in the pantry?
There's not any dog treats, guys. Oh, this is dog food over here. Oh, let me get into that. Let me
Get
get
out
into
of there.
that. What? Come here. Come here. Give me a hug. Oh, that's a good puppy, huh? That's a good puppy. Oh, yeah.
Kimber likes to give puppy hugs.
Oh, yeah. What? Mom and Dad will take you on a WALK after we finish this, okay?
Alright, so we got pretty full pantry. He bought a lot more nuts than I noticed. So we've got a lot of different, we got peanuts, cashews, everything for a long time.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Lots of condiments, lots of dressings, lots of oils.
Oils to cook
Oils
with and everything, so.
Peanut butter, which we don't eat that much peanut butter, but it lasts a long time, so
Yeah.
it's good to have. Cool, guys. What do you think? Maple syrup's up there. We got baking. All the baking stuff's in there that Jenny...
Someone's got to get my stove working for me to bake.
I'm not committed to getting rid of this stove yet, but...
We have one in the pole barn, but that's a whole nother option. Sorry.
So check it out.
Got lots of food, guys.
Miscellaneous low-carb snacks. Random coffee and protein. Peanut butter. Nuts. Oils and spices. Canned stuff. Some pickles back here. I like to eat pickles when I'm doing low carb. Pickles. Dressings. Low carb wraps. Baking stuff. More spices. Canned meat. And more cooking stuff. Or baking stuff.
Mm-hmm. And on the bottom shelf's got dog food.
Dog food.
And recycling and cans. Because here in Michigan we recycle soda cans.
Looks pretty good, right?
Mm-hmm.
Pretty happy.
Nice and full. Hopefully all the shelves are stable and we're not sleeping tonight and don't hear
We went back and forth for a long time about how to do these shelves, and I wanted to do the pine tongue groove because it's strong, but on top of that I could jigsaw stuff out, and if I made mistakes I didn't mess up an entire piece of plywood.
Hopefully we don't hear any crashes tonight.
No crashing.
Be quite a mess and quite a wake up.
Yeah. So, alright guys. Alright, thank you for hanging out with us during this pantry video. Don't forget, comment below things that you put in your pantry, things that are long lasting and good to have on hand.
Stuff maybe we should have put in there.
Yeah, things that we forgot. We appreciate you guys hanging out with us during this video.
Thank you.
See you next time.